At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a mobile bartending business can be an exciting venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research and planning. Conduct market research to understand the demand for mobile bartending services in your area. Identify your target market, such as weddings, corporate events, private parties, etc. Determine your niche, whether it's themed cocktails, specialty drinks, or a focus on high-end events. 2. Create a business plan. Outline your business objectives, target market, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. Define your services and what sets you apart from competitors. Decide on your business structure, sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, etc. 3. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Check local regulations and obtain any required licenses or permits to operate a mobile bartending service. This may include alcohol service permits, business licenses, health permits, and liability insurance. 4. Build your mobile bar. Purchase or build a mobile bar setup that suits your style and meets the needs of your events. Consider factors such as portability, storage space, and customization options. 5. Source equipment and supplies. Invest in high-quality bartending equipment, such as shakers, jiggers, strainers, glassware, and garnishes. Stock up on essential ingredients, mixers, spirits, and non-alcoholic beverages. 6. Develop your menu. Create a diverse menu of cocktails and drinks that cater to your target audience. Consider offering customizable options and signature cocktails to differentiate your services. 7. Hire staff if needed. Determine if you'll need additional bartenders or serving staff for larger events. Hire experienced and reliable professionals who are knowledgeable about cocktails and customer service. 8. Market your business. Build a professional website showcasing your services, menu, and contact information. Utilize social media platforms to promote your business and engage with potential clients. Network with event planners, wedding venues, and other local businesses to generate referrals. Consider offering promotional deals or discounts to attract new customers. 9. Secure bookings. Reach out to potential clients and pitch your services for their upcoming events. Provide detailed proposals outlining your offerings, pricing, and any additional services you provide. Follow up with clients and maintain communication throughout the booking process. 10. Deliver exceptional service. Ensure your staff is well-trained and professional in their interactions with clients and guests. Arrive on time, set up your bar efficiently, and deliver high-quality drinks and service throughout the event. Collect feedback from clients to continually improve your services and grow your business. By following these steps and delivering excellent service, you can establish a successful mobile bartending business and create memorable experiences for your clients. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.